Thank you, Mr. Puri, for those kind words. It makes me feel very good on stage out here. Just to give you a little backstory on Jamal out here, before you gave his job, he was sitting with me in the Marriott that's here, and he said, "John, I've got this offer to run a health magazine for men." And when he told me it was men's health, I said, "Jamal, you should do it. It's the best option." Jamal, do you remember? So, congratulations, Jamal. You've got things together today. A big round of applause to you. And Jamal and I used to work out together once upon a time. I hope you don't give it up now. And all those women out there, this is good news for you. You'll have healthier, smarter, fitter, more beautiful looking men. So buy them this magazine and get a few tips.
Okay, John, what would you want to see in the magazine?
What would I want to see in the magazine?
Yeah, what would you want to put in there?
Well, okay, there are too many people out here actually.
Alright, what kind of stuff would you like to see as a man in this magazine? What kind of stuff do you expect of Men's Health magazine?
Well, as boring as it may sound, very honestly, as cliche as it may sound, the in thing right now is all men read these magazines and wonder how they get those six-pack abs. And I think it looks nice, it's presentable. This gentleman on the magazine out here, Mr. Puri, I'm talking about you. Yeah. You look fit, and it's nice to have a body that's beautiful, and it's important to work hard towards it. Do it for yourself and wear clothes that make you feel most comfortable. And I guess, in fact, most of the people I see out here look so beautiful, men and women, and I think that's what this magazine is about. It's come at the right time where everybody seems to be going to gym. So congratulations to get this out at the right time. When we were young, obviously, internationally it used to be Sylvester Stallone, but today the overt bulk and muscles and veins sticking out is a thing of the past. I think you need to be lean, proportionate. Women like it that way. Internationally, yes, I think Brad Pitt's got the most beautiful body. And yeah. That's your daughter. Something like Brad Pitt. But here, I think we still need to go some way. Yeah.
No, I think here we have the perfect example. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only John Abraham.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so